RS English classes. It is Sunday today, and on this day I am going to arrange a topic, and that topic is difference between nuclear family and joint family. So student of RS English classes will take part, and they will share their opinion for nuclear family and joint family. So it is very interesting. So I am going to call Mr. Ashok. Please come and say what you think about both families. Come on.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to tell about nuclear family and single family. So my point of view is that in joint family we can see a lot of quarrels and many difficulties like money problem and any facilities. And in a single family we can see there are a lot of happiness, and there the money spent is so less. In nuclear family there are in joint family there are many members in a family. They earn a lot of money, but the expense is so high in joint family. And joint family in many children, they always crying and make noise pollution. While a single family there are one and two child children, they always play and talk to each other, but they make not a noise. And in a single family the parents earn money and they can provide all facilities of your children, like hospital facilities and higher educations. That's like many things. The single family provide our family member. And joint family there are all family member as well as the grandfather and grandmother. They always follow the old tradition and customs, and they know how to follow these things. So they always teach of our family member how they follow this. In a single family, the only mother and parents, they always busy in his work, so they not passes his time with his children. They always busy in his work, and so that is my point of view about a nuclear family and joint family. So thanks a lot.
Very good. And Mr. Ashok was saying about both families, and as you know, joint families in one can see a lot of problem. So you can understand. But I am also saying that they are beginner, they can do some mistakes, so please don't. But I am sure one day they will speak English fluently. So after that, I would like to call another student. So Shivani, come here. And what do you think about joint family and nuclear family?
Hello, good morning all of you.
Good morning.
I am Simani. Today I am going to tell about joint family and nuclear family. First of all, I am going to tell about nuclear family. Nuclear family is best of me because I can get freedom and when
You can get many freedom, many facilities in single family.
yes,
While in joint family, there are many problems. So I think she is saying something about nuclear and joint family, but she likes nuclear family. So after then, I am going to tell this fact. They are beginners. They can do mistakes, and they are also showing some hesitation. But one day they will speak properly. After then, Salim, please come.
Good morning, all of you. I am going to tell about joint family and nuclear family. Joint family, we can share our problem with our family members. We can easily get any problem. And joint family is a big family. And we in this situation, emergency and depression, emergency and illness, there are no hands for help. And joint family learns elder respect. And joint family enjoyed many functions and festivals with together. And nuclear family, more less responsibilities. Nuclear family less privacy. And husband and wife, they go to the job. So child is alone. Child is alone. Nuclear family is also many depression, anxiety. And joint family we can share our problem. There are many chances of the people. There are no chances of anxiety and depression. And learns about the importance the family relation in our life. So thanks a lot.
Okay, very good. And Sally is saying that single family has many problems because both husband and wife go to office. So due to the reason, a child has to live alone. So that child does not get a lot of love from his parents. So after them, Mr. Noor, please come. And what do you think about joint family and nuclear family? Please share your opinion.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am going to telling about joint family and nuclear family. I think joint family is good because joint family gets all members loves, and we all enjoy in joint family.
Tell about other things of joint family. If you like joint family, you can explain the quality of joint family. Okay, Mr. Anmol is a new student, and he has been joining RSS classes for 2 days. So he has problem to speak, but as he will pass year time, then he will be able to speak properly. After then, I will call another student. Please come and share what do you think about joint family and nuclear family. Please come.
Good morning, all of you. I am going to tell about difference between joint family and nuclear family. Joint family is a big family and a nuclear family is a small family. Joint family is better than nuclear family. In joint family, we enjoy very much. When we go for a picnic, a trip, and we can celebrate all festival with family members. And in nuclear family, we don't enjoy. We are less members. But in nuclear family, I have more policy and we study good university, but joint family is less money, so we do not study good university. In joint family, we share our problems with family members and grandparents give to advice and we get any solution for this problem. So, and the joint family, anything to divided with family members and in nuclear family, in COVID-19, they don't enjoy. They talk to brother and sister and human, but in joint family, our grandparents talk brother and children and telling stories and good manners about life, traditions and but in nuclear family don't enjoy. In joint family, the parents go to job and the child was alone. But in joint family, the child talk the grandparents and we learn good customs. But in joint family, we ask many questions to the child. Why are you going? Where are you going? And when will you come? So joint family is good. So thank you.
Very nice. And she has explained here her opinion. So, as you know, this is difference between joint family and nuclear family. So, I am going to call another student, Mr. Sandeep. Please come. And what do you think about both families? So, please share your opinion in front of.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to tell about joint family and a nuclear family. Joint family is good because there is many old customs. Because there is many old customs.
There are.
There are many old customs, and they can regularly celebrate any festival with his family. In single family, there are minimum 2 into 3 members. So they cannot properly celebrate the festival. Single family is good because there is no quarrel. There is no quarrel, and in joint family there are quarrels because there are many members. In single family, the parents can teach high education his children. But joint family, the parents don't give a high education. So thanks a lot.
Very good, Mr. Sandeep. I agree with you because in the matter of education, single family can provide more education, while in joint family, lack of money, they do not provide high family. They do not provide more education. So after then, I would like to call Saloni. Please come. And what do you think about both nuclear and joint family? Please come.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to tell about joint family and nuclear family. Some people tells that nuclear family is better than joint family, but I think joint family is better than nuclear family. Joint family is better because they have many pupils in joint family. There are some problems, create some problem in joint family. They solve easily. But nuclear families, their nuclear family, there are some pupils. So they do not solve any problem easily. But nuclear families have many fatalities, but they have many fatalities in joint family. They have many fashions in nuclear family, but more fashion is not good in his life. They have no fashion, they have no fashion in joint family, but they have many smartness in joint family. They have many cultures in joint family. So, like that, respect to all and love one another. So I think joint family is the better nuclear family. They have no safety in life, nuclear family, but they have many safeties in joint family. They have no cultures in joint family. In nuclear family,
They have culture.
they have culture in joint family, but they have no culture in nuclear family. Education is more, but education is more nuclear family. They have no cultures in joint family. So they have
They have more culture in joint family. They have no culture now. They have more culture.
they have more culture in joint family. So they have no education in joint family. So they are quarrel one another. But nuclear family is also more educated. So they have no quarrel in his life because they were very busy of his work. So they have not time to quarrel. Income is they have lot of income in joint family, but there are no management of his child, of his child,
Dear child.
of their child. But nuclear families, nuclear family have some income, but they do educated of his children, and they do management very goodly. Thanks a lot.
Okay, and she is also a new student, and she has done some mistakes, but in one day she will speak English properly. But I am going to tell about difference between both nuclear family and joint family. Then you can understand easily. In joint family, there are many members. They live together. Sometimes they fight, they quarrel, but they always live together, so no one can disturb them. In another hand, if we talk about nuclear family, then we can see only there are 4 members: husband and wife and 2 children, a girl and a boy. So, in nuclear family, the income of nuclear family may be so high, so they can provide high education to their kids. Nowadays, you can understand inflation is shooting up, so we should adopt nuclear family because we can provide more education to our children. So while we can find joint family in village areas, and nuclear family comes out from joint family, but they live because they live in cities because they do job there. So I think you can understand. So it was a kind of debate, and these students are sharing their opinion for this topic. So I will make another video in future, and that video will more effective for viewers, for subscribers. And I also want to say you should watch this new video and you can earn a lot of knowledge from my channel. So, and English is not a regional language. English is an international language. It is global language. So you have to speak in high-fi family and high-fi society. So I am going to say thank you for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.